Guys, in today's video, I'm going to discuss a de-escalation technique that works for me a lot. Let's just say you work for a retail establishment, you work private security, uniformed, and the manager calls you. They want you to remove somebody because this person doesn't want to leave the property and this person is causing a disturbance. Sound familiar for some of you who work private security? Very common. So what I like to do is get this person's attention. If there's a lot of people around, I'll say, hey, sir or ma'am, it's kind of loud right now. There's a lot of people around here, and I'm not able to listen to your side of the story because there's so much distraction. There's people walking around. This asshole over here, this piece of shit who is arguing with you, has obviously an issue with you, but I want to hear your side of the story. Now, some of you might be thinking, well, wait a minute, I'm gonna call the manager a piece of shit or an asshole. Look, you just mentioned that for de-escalation purposes, because now you are putting yourself in an empathetic situation with this person. You're putting yourself in this person's shoes. See, the key to de-escalation is put yourself in this person's shoes to see what they are experiencing. So by calling this manager or this other person a piece of shit or an asshole, it's something controversial because maybe your client doesn't want you to refer to them as such, but you're getting in this person's shoes. Most likely they're going to listen to you. I've had situations where I had to de-escalate. This person would get into a verbal confrontation with my supervisor and didn't want to come out of a house. So I referred to my supervisor, the sergeant, again, as an incompetent piece of shit. Okay? Sergeant didn't like it, but I told the sergeant, hey, I got it, Sarge. Let me talk to this person here. Okay? You get to this person's, you get inside of this person's shoes is what you want to do. So if you're able to relocate them voluntarily, that's the best thing. So I would say, hey, again, it's too loud. Let's go talk over here. Always try to go outside of the store or outside of the sphere of influence. See, many times people want an audience. When you remove them from that audience, their attitude changes many times. So once I'm able to move them to a different area voluntarily, I'd ask, hey, like, what's up? What's going on? And maybe there's a situation that I can mediate between the store manager and this person. Maybe they want a refund for something, and maybe I can help negotiate that deal as long as this person leaves peacefully. Okay? When a private security officer is able to mediate a situation, you're putting yourselves this much higher than the standard private security officer. Try it. Now, try to come up with a solution. Have this person also come up with a solution, and then the other party that they are in dispute with comes with a solution. When there's an ultimate solution that both parties can agree to, both parties get somewhat satisfied. And most people who are in dispute with somebody else, they just want to be heard. And again, allow that person to be heard in a different place, and you listen to this person and vent they're going to vent their frustrations towards you, which is fine. All they want to do sometimes is just vent. Okay. And what I always like to do is get some type of 1-800 number, or maybe a number to a regional manager, where this person can, I want to say, maybe reconcile whatever issue it is. See, many times the issue cannot be resolved in the store, and it can be resolved in favor of this person who maybe doesn't want to leave. They don't feel like they're winning. They don't feel like they're being heard, and that's one of the reasons why they don't want to leave. But give them another avenue of a complaint. And if you're able to maybe have them call this 1-800 number, or maybe speak to somebody when they're much more calmer, maybe another day, another week, I think the resolution is going to be so much more peaceful. This is one of the ways that I resolve disputes. Hope this helps. Maybe you have any other suggestions, just let me know. If you want me to do a video with something else, let me know as well. And I still owe one of you a video, maybe two of you a video.